Hi, in this video we are going to show to install HP Envy 4520 printer on Windows. Let's first check your computer's operating system version. Click the folder. Then right-click this PC and select Properties. This is the version of your operating system. Second, disconnect your printer's USB cable from the computer. Download the printer driver from the official site or from the video description below according to your operating system version. Next, we double-tap the driver icon. We wait a moment. Click Continue to install. Accept the agreement arrangement. Then click Next. Wait a minute. Now connect the printer's USB cable to the computer, and make sure the printer is turned on. This installer will detect your printer connecting it. If not, you have the option to connect your printer later by selecting Unsure. Click Next. And finish. That's it. Then we check by clicking Windows, then Settings, and select Device. In it we select Printers Amp, Scanners. There you can see the HP Envy 4520 installed. When you connect the printer it will detect it automatically and then follow further instructions on screen. Please like, share and subscribe to YouTube's free printer support channel.